Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are looking tonight at GameStop Corp, which if you have a look over here in the past trading day was up by 0.77%. Now over the past 5 days this stock is actually turning green by over 4%. Very impressive given the context of everything, because in the past month we've seen GameStop stock absolutely spike and it looks like we are holding on to this momentum. We'll be speaking about this and a lot more over the course of this video. I'll be giving you my opinions on everything that we've seen over the past week, some of the key levels that I'm looking for into next week as well. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe, it does help me out a lot. At the same time though, remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is obviously not financial advice. But yeah, jumping straight in, well, what stands out to me here with GameStop stock? As I say, this is a stock when we have a look at it, which is actually holding above key levels very well. You see this stock, it has bounced massively and now it looks like we are holding on to levels of support round about 25.70. Now this is also a historically strong level of support for this stock. You look back here to what's going to be early May, you look back here to what is also early February. This has been a level where the stock has found support historically, right? So if we're able to form this, if we're able to hold this going forwards, this 25.70 range roughly, then I think we're in a great position to see this one actually go higher. Now what's happening here at the same time is we're seeing this stock find some nice consolidation, giving indicators like the RSI a lot of time to cool off too. We're still quite high, you know, not in the overbought range anymore here on the past month or so, but we are certainly quite high. So as time goes on, as this stock continues to consolidate, hopefully, we are establishing nice levels. So in an ideal world, we're not going to see this stock really drop below 25.70. At the very lowest, you're looking at 25.60, 25.65, something like that. If you do begin to drop below that, you're looking to go to levels potentially as low as 25.40. And if that doesn't hold, I think there is every possibility that you see this one push back down to other historical levels in the 24.60s. So given that scenario, right, we want to see this channel form, we want to see this channel hold very nicely. A relatively flat channel, some nice healthy consolidation, exactly like what we've seen in the last couple of days. What that will hopefully allow is for the steady build up of this stock going forwards, because again, it's important to see this in context, right? This stock over the past few days really has gone up a lot. Since the 4th up until what, the 16th, we have seen this stock up by 17%. It's about seeing if we can hold on to these gains, and increasingly I think this is looking likely. But again, be aware of those levels to the downside. Again, if you see this one break the high 25s, you're looking to go into 24s I think quite easily, and then you could be on for a interesting retest to lower levels from there if that doesn't hold up. Now if you do see this hold up, well then what are we looking for in that scenario? I think you're looking for pushes much higher. I think you're looking to initially break into the $27 range, which is a key level of resistance and support many a time in the past. Holding above this is going to be relatively crucial in my opinion. If we can do that, you're looking to push again higher from there. I think that could take us onto levels in the high 27s and then pushing onto 28. I think the stock is looking absolutely promising here. I think things are working out very nicely. But it's going to be about seeing if this momentum is able to continue to build, is able to continue to take us in the right direction. I think at the moment this is playing out very perfectly. I think this is playing out exactly how you'd like to see it. And again, breaking above these next levels, this 26 level, specifically 26.40, the previous high that we've seen recently, is going to be important. But yeah, given the context, given everything that we've seen, I think the stock is having a lot of time, a lot of opportunity to see indicators like the RSI, especially even on a broader time frame, have that time to begin to cool off. Again, a few more days of consolidation, even if that pushes us down slightly, as long as we stay within that channel, I don't necessarily think it is a bad thing at all. I think things here are looking very good. I think the short-term trend is strong. I think the mid-term trend could see us push up to the 27s if we are able to hold onto this range. Now, I'll be checking in with you again in the next couple of days with more updates, giving my thoughts and predictions on what may come in the next couple of days going forwards. But yes, here are some of the key levels that I'm looking for. I don't know if you guys agree or disagree. I'd love to hear it in the comment section. But yeah, thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope I will see you again soon. You guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple couple of weeks. But do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.